Tapos may flour, tapos may banana milk and flour butter. Yan guys. Yan pala siya. Welcome to my channel, Dogs Cooking 81. Ito guys, gawa tayo merienda. May ron akong blend dito guys, flour. Ang ginamit ko pala dito ay strong flour, 2 banana, 3 eggs, tapos butter, tapos sugar and milk. Yan guys, pinalsa ko lang yung dalawang blender na yan guys. Bali 1 kilo to lahat. Yan, let's go guys, let's cooking. Ano pala ito guys, saging. Ginawa ko may saging kumalo. Banana pancake. Try na natin. Nagawa ng banana pancake. Kaya fluffy yan siya guys. Gawa ng 3 itlog yung nilagay ko. Try lang natin kung anong lasa. Sitaw. Guys, ang ating banana pancake, natin yan. Banana pancake yung niluto natin guys. Sobrang lambot, no? Yeah. Wow! Tap. Ang ginamit ko pala nito guys, 2 saging na lakatan, 3 itlog, kalahati